Hello traders, the title of the video is what is Elliott wave count? Now the question is, what is Elliott wave count? One more time, my friend, what is Elliott wave count? The Elliott wave count is the application of the Elliott wave theory to count impulse wave and corrective wave. Very simple. The application of the Elliott wave principle or theory to count impulse waves and corrective wave. Very simple. All right. Now, because I recorded a video recently, if you want to know how does Elliott wave analysis work, now, which means it's a two different questions. All right. So I answered that question already. If you want to know how does it work, how does the wave count works, so when we are counting wave, we are performing Elliott wave analysis. So the action of counting wave is the Elliott wave analysis. So you may say, George, how does Elliott wave analysis work? And I'll say to you, just you to search that frame, and you will see a video from 2-4 Elliott wave. Don't watch it anywhere else. Please. Take my word for it. Alright? Now, the question we want to answer to them is not how does Elliott wave analysis work, is what is Elliott wave count? It is the application of the Elliott wave theory by Ralph Elliott, to count impulse wave and corrective wave. There are two types of wave. One is called impulse wave. Another one is called corrective wave. If the price is trending up, all right, according to the Elliott wave theory, because we are talking about the application of the Elliott wave principle to count impulse and corrective wave, yes or no? So if the price is trending up, all right, the impulse wave very often will be subdivided into 5-minute wave, and they will also be in the direction of the trend. So the corrective wave will be a contra trend. So you see, will you agree that the price was going up in this session? It was going up. It was almost parabolic price move up. So you see this. So here it went up, yes or no? So this is not going against the trend. So we can say this is impulse wave. But when we are doing that, we want to do it according to the Elliott wave principle. Is it truly an impulse wave? If it's truly an impulse wave, it should not violate any rule relating to the impulse wave. It should not violate any Elliott wave rule relating to the impulse wave. Now, I'm not going to go deeper about the rules because that will bring us into the video that I already mentioned to you. How does Elliott wave analysis work? All right. So the moves that are in the direction of the price are usually impulse wave, but they will adhere to the specific Elliott wave rule that are guiding, so to speak, that are relating to the impulse wave. And the corrective wave will be going against the trend. So the trend is up, isn't it? So this move down is a correction. A corrective wave is always correcting an impulse wave. So you see this move down here? It's correcting which one? Impulse wave. Alright? But when the trend is going up, we usually have 3 major impulse waves. So in the language of the Elliott wave, when we are talking about a trend, we are talking about a multi-wave. But sometimes we use a multi-wave also to refer to impulse wave. Don't get confused. When you are learning more, you understand. We want the video to be very sure. What is Elliott wave count, George? That is the question I'm asking you. So it is about application of the Elliott wave principle to count impulse and corrective wave. Two types of wave. One is impulse. The impulse wave will be in the direction of the trend. The corrective wave will be going against the trend. But the impulse wave, the corrective wave are correcting, the impulse wave. Generally speaking, in a normal training field, we will have three major impulse waves and two major corrective waves during a training phase. And when the training phase is completed, that whole training phase becomes again another impulse wave. Therefore, we'll expect again a correction. So anytime an impulse wave is in place, it will be followed by what? A corrective wave. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1, the 3, and the 5 are impulse wave. The 2 and the 4 are corrective wave. All right. Again, the 1, the 3, and the 5th wave can be subdivided into 5 smaller waves. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want you to get confused. But when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we turn it into 1. So which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without any area wave violation relating to the impulse wave become one bigger impulse wave of a higher degree. So when we are talking what is area wave count, there are different degrees of wave count. I think I can answer that in this video. So if you count wave, for instance, on the hourly time frame, that's 1 degree. There is another higher degree wave count in comparison to the hourly time frame. The corresponding higher degree wave count to the hourly time frame is the daily chart. And the corresponding higher degree wave count relating to the daily chart is the monthly chart. And the corresponding higher degree wave count to the monthly chart is the yearly chart. I don't want to bore you with too many information. Remember that our intention is to answer a specific question. George, what is area wave count? The application of the area wave principle to count valid impulse wave and corrective wave. I hope I have managed to answer your question. I may go on and say to you again, there are different types of wave count. We talk about preliminary wave count. We also talk about validation of a wave count. We also talk about lower degree wave count. We talk also about higher degree wave count. So I can record another video. What are the different types of wave count? But generally speaking, when we are talking about what is area wave count, is the application of the area wave theory or principle to identify the valid impulse wave and the valid corrective wave that are not breaking any area wave rule. So this will conclude our discussion today about what is area wave count, to count waves according to the wave principle on any time frame. All right. But it becomes more interesting. So check out the other video that I titled, How Does Area Wave Analysis Work? Then that will bring you to the next level. All right, and then the third level will be, is the area wave theory accurate? There's another video like that. Check it out. So you start first, what is area wave count? There you go. What does area wave analysis? How does area wave analysis work? And then you check again. Is the area wave theory accurate? With those 3 videos, you start seeing clearly. Your eyes start opening, popping out big time. All right, start seeing clearly. It's to make you laugh a bit. All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike, you say, George, you were just making a joke. You were not serious. You meant to be serious. You're not allowed to make any joke. And I'll say, well, I live in London. We make jokes all over the place. My apology to you, all right? If you dislike it, please mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. And I really appreciate it when traders share our video, all right? I say to those traders, thank you very much. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel 24 Elliott Wave. Digit 2, Digit 4, Elliott Waves in plural. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. If you want to learn more about Elliott Wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. We are the TSTW, the 24 traders. Happy trading to you all.